What's up, everybody? This is Jasmine with Jazzy Fresh Mobile Detailing, and today we're going to be talking about my favorite interior cleaner, which is P&S Express Interior. I am a huge fan of this stuff. I love this stuff. I love it for a bunch of reasons. One, you can do everything from cleaning panels to cleaning seats with this. Now, do I recommend you clean seats? No, you should get a dedicated carpet cleaner. But if you don't have one, and this is all you got at the moment, this will get the job done. P&S is great for that kind of stuff. But, this stuff is dilutable, and it's at such a good price point. I believe it's like $26 a gallon. Before I started using this, I was using, my primary go-to was Chemical Guy's Nonsense Cleaner, which is a great cleaner. I love it. I think it's fantastic. But I have two complaints with that cleaner. The first one being, I think I was having a chemical reaction to using it, and my hands would swell up after I used it. So that was a problem that I had. One of the reasons why I stopped using it. But also the price point is ridiculous. Last time I checked, they had that at like $40 to $50 a gallon. I mean, I'll put the right price up here, but yeah, I mean, at half the price, and it's dilutable, it goes longer and it's cheaper. So this is just an all-around better option. If you're looking for an interior cleaner, buy this. Like, you really don't need to look around more. I mean, you can go and try Adams and try all those different brands if you want to, but trust me when I say this will do what you need it to do. Now, this stuff is so good that, I like to dress after I clean, so I apply a dressing. But this stuff, if you have the right dilution ratio, or even if you use it straight, it'll leave like a nice sheen on whatever you're cleaning, so that you don't necessarily need a dressing. Now, I like dressing because I just feel like it gives it that new car pop. But this will do quite well on its own. I mean, I really, since like going professional with this and having to try out so many different chemicals, I am in love with P&S. Like, their products are so, I mean, like, literally, I think I use at least 4 to 5 of their products. I mean, Carpet Bomber, Express Interior, Bead Maker, Terminator, like at least 4 or 5. Oh yeah. So then the Absolute, like I use their stuff. Like, it is a great company with great products, and they really, you can tell that they care about quality. You can tell that they care about their chemicals working. I have yet to come across a chemical that I thought was too expensive or didn't do the job that it was advertised. Whereas I can tell you, all the other brands, they're 3D, Chemical Guys, McGuire's, there are all products in all those lines where I can tell you that doesn't work or that's too expensive for what you get for it. So I don't have this problem with P&S. I love this stuff. I love the company. I am a fan. I am a huge, huge fan. So yeah, I don't usually give glowing like endorsements of things, and I ain't getting paid for this, but I love this stuff. I really, really do. I really do. I mean, I can't wait till I can have one of those big, like drum gallon things that you can buy, like, and just keep it and never have to rebuy this stuff. But yeah, my go-to right here. I love this stuff. I hope you go out and buy it. I'll link it in the description for you. So hit that link and go purchase it on Amazon. They usually get it to you pretty quick. Of course, in this area, we have like 3 or 4 Amazon distribution centers. So I get mine like overnight, which is another huge plus. They're so widely distributed that you can get it pretty quickly. So yeah, with the effectiveness and the cost, I think it's a fantastic cleaner. Absolutely fantastic. A++. Love it. I hope this helps, and I hope you start your detailing business, man. I hope you do it, and you go help people, and you share your gift with them. Otherwise, have a great day, and take care. I'll see you on the next one. Please like and subscribe to this video if you found it helpful. Appreciate you.